Yo, what's up? Welcome back to yet another reaction. Today I am on a Botswana streak, okay, and I'm going like there was a range from house to uh Afro pop R&B-ish now to dance music. Okay, I should actually be taking this off soon because it's getting warmer here. So yeah, if you're here for the first time and you're from Botswana, Dumela, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. This artist is loved by the entire Southern Africa, if I'm not mistaken. Slizer one time, all the way from Botswana, featuring Sdoli, Sachilombe. Featuring Sdoli. Sachilombe is the song, okay? So, no, it's actually, she is featured on this, but yeah, we just go on that. We just go with that. Okay, let's get to it. I told you guys are gonna dance. I love videos that are shot like this. Like this video does not seem like it was planned. It seemed like a guy just walked with a camera and we're like, "Oh, everybody's here. Can you shoot us a video?" It's just like one of those things where it's like a photo. You know, if you remember back in the day when people would pass by with a camera, you're like, "Oh, is that a camera? Please." Take a photo of me. It's one of those. I love it because it seems so organic. Everybody seems so real. You know? People are going to dance. It's a dance off. So what's good about this music is that it's recorded live using instrument. Like it's hard I mean, it's possible, but it's hard to manipulate a computer, or it won't sound real if you play that guitar via like buttons on a keyboard. I feel like that wouldn't sound how it sounds right now. So this is why this music is like, you know, special. Yo, this is
Sachilombe, 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 Sachilombe.
Oh no. Yo, this is beautiful, man. I mean, like, I am telling you guys, there's something so beautiful about like an organic video. I guess to me, because it that video to me doesn't seem like anybody planned it. And I know that it was planned and everything, like so many cuts and so many acts and all that, but it just seems so organic. Okay, so yeah, that's Slizer, Sdoli. I don't know Sdoli. I don't know who that guy is, but after all, I haven't been home for a long time, so there's probably lots and lots of developments that I'm not aware of. But that was beautiful one, Slizer, one time. Okay, my computer sector. Yeah, if you're here for the first time, like I said earlier, smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too so you don't miss any of the uploads on the channel, and then hit that like button. It is for the algorithm. Please go check out their YouTube page. Go check out Slizer's YouTube page. She's been in the music industry for a very long time, from Botswana, and I know you guys from Zimbabwe love her, you guys from Mozambique and South Africa, Lesotho. I know you guys love Slizer, so please go support you guys. I'll see you guys on the other side.